carries. Item number 21, position and compensation adjustments within the Public Works Department. Diana Langley.
Good evening again. So this staff report's a little bit complex, but there's three key things that I'm proposing to address with this. Number one, amend the salary schedule for the chief operator classification. At the water treatment plant, we currently have a chief plant operator. In the salary schedule for the wastewater treatment plant, we currently have chief plant operator 1 and chief plant operator 2. And so what I'm recommending is that we actually delete the chief plant operator 1 position and retitle the chief plant operator 2 position to just chief plant operator to mirror the structure at the water treatment plant. We currently don't have this position budgeted, and so there's nobody in this position right now at the wastewater treatment plant. But through the fiscal year 15-16 budget, I'm proposing to change one of the wastewater operator 3 positions to a chief plant operator so that we then have 2 supervisor positions at the wastewater treatment plant at the appropriate level, wastewater license level, to be able to operate the plant. The second item is related to a salary increase for the wastewater treatment facility supervisor and the chief operator. So in August 2013, the City Council approved certification pay for the individuals that hold water distribution certificates and water treatment certificates. And so what this resulted in was a 7.5% increase for the first level supervisors at the water treatment plant. The same thing was not done for the wastewater operators at the time, even though the complexity of their position is the same as the water treatment plant. These are critical positions at both plants with a lot of liability and responsibility to serve the city. And then in 2014, November 2014, the City Council approved a 10% salary increase for the wastewater operators due to retainment and retention issues, recruitment issues. We had 3 vacant operator positions, and those are water and wastewater operators are extremely difficult to recruit for because there's such a small pool in the state of California. I'm happy to report that with the salary increase, we were able to do a recruitment. We received some great candidates. We just had a new operator start today. We have another one starting June 8th, and the third one's in the process for pre-employment approval. So that was very successful. Also, the structure within the city has historically been that positions are aligned horizontally and vertically. So supervisor positions are aligned horizontally if they have the same level of responsibility. And then vertically, there's usually a set difference between the supervisor and then the next position supervised. With the increase in pay for the wastewater operators, it created a compaction issue with the supervisors at the wastewater treatment plant. So the other item that I'm recommending is an approximate 7.5% increase for the wastewater treatment facility supervisor and wastewater treatment facility chief operator classifications to address that compaction issue and realign those first level supervisors with the same positions at the water treatment plant. And then finally, the plant maintenance supervisor position at the wastewater treatment facility has been vacant for some time. We went out and did an extensive recruitment. This is probably the recruitment that we have done the most extensive advertising, reaching out to various trade organizations online. And with that, we received 27 applications, of which there were no qualified candidates. And so we went back to our human resources consultant to give us a recommendation. What's the issue here? The recommendation came back that that's an indication that the salary's too low. And so we're recommending approval of a 10% salary increase for the plant maintenance supervisor classification. So with that, I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Any questions of Diane Langley? Oh, right. I'll entertain a motion.
I'll move staff's recommendations.
I have a motion. Do I have a second?
I'll second that.
All right. Motion and second. Any further comments? Seeing none, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Unanimous.